church used to do, yeah. Tell him, let him use ya. He just beginning, baby, no, he ain't through yet. Yeah, maybe you should let him use ya.
And what's up, guys? Josh Olufemii here in beautiful Brisbane, Australia. I am in the city, actually on the way to a shoot. And I wanted to actually take this opportunity to tell you something that I'm very excited about, that I hope you guys would be excited about too. This is like a once in a blue moon opportunity. As a lot of you guys may know, we have been running promotions for our channel sponsor Envato Elements for quite a while now. And over 5,000 of you guys, awesome Olufemii Channel viewers, have actually clicked in the link in the description and have actually signed up and joined the subscription. You can now get Envato Elements for free. That's right, I said completely for free for the first 7 days. If you remember about like a year or two ago, we had this promotion going on where you could get Envato Elements for free. They ended up taking it away. We've been fighting and fighting to get that back for years now, and they are finally bringing it back, at least for a little bit. I don't know how long this is gonna happen, but it's pretty amazing. So the link for the 7-day free trial is actually in the description below right now. I wanted to give it to you so you could take advantage of it ASAP. Start downloading all of the templates you could ever desire. There are millions to choose from, like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Think of this as like the Netflix for video editors. You can literally use all these templates, text packs, stock footage, effects, etc. to literally make you money, impress your clients, and most importantly, cut down on your editing time so you have time to spend with your family and your significant other. Repeat after me, all night editing is not healthy or necessary. Guys, every subscription really helps the channel and allows us to continue to make this free content for all of you guys on almost, at this point, a daily basis. Guys, I don't know how long this offer is gonna last, so I hope you take advantage of it when you can. Happy editing. Greetings again from Brisbane, Australia. And make sure you actually hit me up on Instagram and share with me some cool projects that you complete with Elements products. Hope you guys keep it chill.